Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Hey, hi everyone. This is Vinay Kumar Giri here, I would like to share my diploma journey with you all guys today. So it goes like this. When I was in 10th standard, like when I passed 10th standard, I actually had a dream to become a computer engineer. Like I actually knew that I wanted to become a computer engineer, but I had no idea how to achieve it. So few of my teacher told me, there are various options. They explained to me that you can either do diploma or go via 11th, 12th, and then entrance exam and all. So I was actually thrilled about, after hearing about diploma, because I was actually 100% sure that I want to become an engineer and I have no other, I don't want to do anything else. So I applied in KJ Somaiya Polytechnic via the centralized admission process, and I got selected. And after admission, I realized that diploma is a bit difficult, because there are technical subjects right from the beginning, right from the first year. But in a sense, it actually helped me, do much better in engineering. And actually, it helps many students to do better. If you collect data for engineers who did diploma, and you may find that they have slight edge, in technical subjects or in technical knowledge compared to others. So that is one thing. And about teachers, the teachers were very helpful and frank. Like they were strict, I know, it kind of sometimes felt like a school, but it was worth it. So the teachers were very helpful and frank. I can remember Rupali ma'am, Charulata ma'am, Sandeep sir, Bange sir, and Kolte sir. So these are few of the many teachers with whom I had a chance to communicate frequently and come under direct supervision. So nothing is perfect, but I believe I'm very lucky to have completed my diploma from KJ Somaiya Polytechnic. So I believe diploma actually transforms you from a kid to a responsible kid. This is in my opinion. Okay, so fast forward, I completed my computer engineering diploma and then got good marks and got into VESIT, Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology, and then I completed my engineering from there, and now I'm working as a senior software engineer at Accenture. So that was all. What I would like to say to you all is that if you are really sure that you want to become an engineer, then definitely go for diploma. It's the best. But if you're not sure, then maybe you can choose between the two options. Okay, thanks everyone. I wish you all the best for your future. Hope everything goes well for you.
Hello, this is Vishal Mishra, alumni of KJSP Computer Department, year 2015. I would love to take this opportunity and share my feedback on how great my experience was through the journey at KJSP. As stated, we would like to start with thank you. I'm very thankful to the computer department, the loving and supporting teaching and non-teaching faculties. I appreciate the knowledge I received, which not only made me able to reach great height in professional terms, but have also helped me to build up a disciplined personal life. I wouldn't have scaled success if it wasn't for KJSP. Thank you once again. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Paras Thakkar. I am currently studying at D.Y. Patil International University, Pune in third year BTech. So I have completed my diploma in computer engineering from KJ Somaiya Polytechnic in 2019. Faculties in KJSP were very helpful for me. They were ready to clear every doubt at any time. Classrooms are also very well organized and clean. College is also providing extra activities like sports tournaments on zonal level. Department is also conducting various technical workshops, expert lectures, quiz competitions, etc. College also celebrates most of festivals with students in very good organized way. I felt very lucky for spending my 3 years in college like KJSP. Thank you.